Hello, I'm Damian Milner, the IT administrator here at Future Problem Solving, and today I'm going to show you how to associate multiple coaches to a team in FPS Online as the administrator. Okay, so first you're going to go to fpsonline.org/admin and log in as the admin. You should then land on your dashboard here, and we're going to go over to Users, Teams. All right, once you're on the Teams page, you're going to click Edit next to a team. If you're creating a team, it'll have the same look here as if you're editing one. And what you'll see here, here's the primary coach field, but down here you have an additional coaches field. The way you can associate multiple coaches to a team is by clicking on one here, and if there's more than one, hold the Control key down on your keyboard and select as many as you need to, and then click the Save button. Once you do that, multiple coaches will be associated with that team, and they will then be able to log into their coach accounts and see that team on their account. Hope you found this video helpful. Stick around for more helpful tutorial videos, and you can find many of these helpful videos on our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for your time. I hope you have a great and positive day.